One, two, just 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday, Lala. I love you, Lala. Where are you? And I love you, Lala. I love you, Lala.
Say, I love you, Lala.
I love you, Lala. Lola, happy birthday and be healthy and also be strong and also be very healthy and also do important things.
I love you.
I love you. Lola, be safe, be healthy. Happy birthday.
Love you.
Love you. Happy birthday, Wawa Diki.
Oh, Jema!
Happy birthday, Kuya Dika.
Happy birthday, Mama Gemma. I thank God for your life. Ever since mga bata pa mi, you are not just an aunt, but you are a mother to us. You are my inspiration, not just as a teacher, but as a woman, as a mother. I admire how strong you are. Growing up, people knew me as pag-umangko ni Ma'am Gemma, apo ni Ma'am Aning, and I'm so proud nga mo na itawag nila nako. I am proud that you are my aunt. I wish you good health, fast recovery, and joy in life. Thank you so much for everything, and I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Wawa Dima. Wawa Dima. Happy birthday, Wawa Dima.
Happy birthday, Jem! I thank God for having you in my life as my sister. Thank you for all the love, care, guidance, generosity, and everything you shared, thoughtfulness, and everything you shared with us in the family, in our family. And my prayer to you is that God will heal you and that God will bless you more years of existence in this universe, and that of course God will give you more gift of faith, hope, and trust in His divine mercy. I know you accepted His will for you. I know you surrender everything to Him. I know na strong ka. Continue to be strong. And we just continue to pray for miracle. Because God is good and full of mercy. God only knows what is best for us. So we trust everything to Him. Again, happy birthday. I love you from Gio and Lula Nila. Moa, moa, moa. Wa mi bijuhis ni Lolo Dodong.
Happy birthday, Ma. Salamat kaayo sa imong kamaayo dili kanamo ug sa imong mga apo. Salamat kaayo sa imong taas kayo nga pasensya ug unta dagan pa ka ni Lord ug daghan nga blessings ug maayo nga panglawas ug salamat kayo sa tanan. Happy birthday, Ma. Say bye. Hi. Hi. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ma. If in case you feel weak or you feel sick, always remember that I always look up to you as a woman of strength and determination. So, happy 61st birthday and beyond. I love you.
Happy birthday, ma. Ayaw na pa-stress.
Happy birthday, Mama Gemma. Stay strong and I'm praying for your fast recovery. God bless and fighting.
Happy birthday, Tita Sinda.
Happy birthday, Tita Gemma.
Tita Dima.
Wishing you
Wishing you
more birthdays to come and
gummy.
stay strong.
I stay strong, I think.
Hi Mama Dima, happy birthday. Pakalaygon o ampo kalingaw sa Ginoo. Sa ampo kukunin mo arin nga sige ko simba sa Santo Niño. Para to, God bless and stay healthy. Mag-healthy diet. Ayaw pa stress o isa pa man. Okay ra ko diri sa Japan.
Happy birthday, Mama Gemma. Thank you sa imong pagkamaadyo namo. Thank you for being a supportive and appreciative auntie. You're a model of patience. Naarami kalingaw para nimo. Kanunay ni magkampo para nimo.
Go. Happy birthday, Dam. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lala. I love you. Yay. Happy birthday, Dam. Among giampo kanunay sa Ginoo nga tagaan kaniya og strength. Kusog. O tagaan pa kaniya og more birthdays to celebrate. Stay strong. I know nga kaya ra nimo ang tanan. Unya naara mi kanunay mag-pray nimo. We love you so much. Thank you so much for everything. Oh, bitaw. Happy birthday, Lala! Happy birthday!
Birthday Mama Dima.
Happy 61st birthday, Ma'am Gemma. We wish you all the best in life. I hope na whatever it is you're going through, mo-overcome mo with prayers from family, friends, and of course, including us. We wish you all the best. I hope you will have a good celebration this year and for the years to come. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tita Gemma. Thank you for being warm, kind, and helpful. Praying for your good health. God bless you always.
Hi Tita Gemma, happy birthday. We wish you all the best. Enjoy your birthday celebration. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Tita Gemma. My wish for you is that all your hopes, your heart's desires, and still unfulfilled dreams come true. You know, you're one of the best people I know. You're thoughtful, you're kind, and very generous. Thank you for always listening when I needed to vent and for your patience in reading my long messages without judgment. Please take good care of yourself. I pray for your good health and healing, and we all love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ma'am Gemma. Kumusta na mo diha tanan? Kumusta sinong boy? Kumusta mga bata ni Regine ni ninyo? Kumusta mga silingan? Happy birthday. Ma'am Gemma, anong boy? Salamat sa pagsuporta sa pag-eskwela na ho. Nakahuman ko tungod sa tabang ninyo. Kung di pa tungod ninyo, basin wako kahuman og eskwela ron ba? Salamat. Salamat, Day. Sa pagpahinumdum po, Day. Kay wapa ko na mo pahinumdumi, Day. Wadyo ko kay Baday kan sa birthday ni Ma'am Gemma, Day. Kalimot po ko, Day. So, sunsaon na oroy. Salamat, Day. Salamat po, Day. Salamat, Gine. Ay, ninyo. Mawa mo, kaadyo pa baglong sa una ba? Buutan, dyan mo mga bata ba? Niliwat ni Mama o ni Papa, no? Aliwat na siya kabantay. Oh, ito, Ma'am Jima. Kuan, wish na ho. More birthdays to come, more blessing. Stay healthy. Enjoy your day. At tsaka, happy birthday ulit. Happy birthday, Joy Joy. Say happy birthday. Happy birthday. Bye-bye. Happy birthday ulit, Ma'am Jima.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Gemma. On the 61st birthday, I always wish you good health and many more birthdays to come. Again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Gemma. Ayo and get well soon. I wish you more birthdays to come and happiness and good health. Bye.
Hi, Ma'am Jima. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. Stay strong. Stay healthy. And God bless.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Jem. Praying for more birthdays to come, fast recovery, so that you can still do more apostolic works. Also, I would like to say thank you, Ma'am Jem, for your encouragement and for pushing me to become a school head. And now, I am a full-fledged principal. That's because of you. Thank you, Ma'am. See you around.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Gemma! Wishing you good health always and praying for your fast recovery. I know you can do it. Kay bawat ko, ma'am. Okay. Kung ano ka fighter. And also, I wanted to say thank you for always encouraging me. Thank you for all the encouragements. And thank you so much for always believing in my talents and abilities. And don't worry, I will try my best. I will never fail you sa imuhang mga encouragements nako. And we miss you. I miss you so much. Every time na modong ko sa district, kamingaw ko anang musod ko sa office niya. Asas na si Ma'am Gemma. And karon wala na ko kita nga nakamag-lingkod sa lingkuran. So I always miss that moment. And by the way, I'm very happy that you are with your family right now, spending your 24/7 nila. Kung ano lang ka, lingaw-lingaw na lang sa kinabuhi, doing your apostolic work. And I hope to see you around, Ma'am Gem. Thank you, and we love you so much. Happy birthday once again.
Happy 61st birthday, Tita Gemma. We hope all your wishes will come true. Tagaan kag taas nga kinabuhi sa Ginoo ug good health. Enjoy your special day. We hope to see you soon. And salamat kayo sa tanang pagpangga nimo sa amoa. We love you, Tita Gemma.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Gemma. Stay healthy and always be happy. Enjoy your day. We love you so much.
Hi, Tita Gemma!
Happy
birthday!
Tita Gemma, we love you. Happy birthday, Tita Gemma! We love you. We love you. Palakas. From the city of Pines, in Baguio. Hello, Jem. Happy birthday. Dali tabang ang kabog tubig.
Happy birthday, Jima! Bye!
Happy birthday, Jem. I thank God for having you in my life as my sister. Thank you for all the love, care, kindness, generosity, and everything you shared with us in our family, in the family. In this paka niya. Unya, my prayer to you is God will heal you. I know you accepted God's will for you, and I know you surrender everything to Him. And of course, I pray that God will give you more gift of faith, trust, and hope in His just continue to be strong. We just continue to pray to God because He is full of, God is good and full of mercy. God only knows what is best for us. So, again, happy birthday. I love you. Mua, mua, mua.
Okay, ready, go. Happy birthday, Jem. May you have many more birthdays to come in life. Yan. Laban lang sa buhay. Amping kanunay. Maura to. Happy birthday, amping kanunay.
Ito?
Kaya makaila ko. Ang galanon.